Have you ever wondered why cell phones and tablets break so soon after you buy them? A screen cracks, a battery stops charging, and they're junk, to be replaced and thrown away. This is called planned obsolescence, and it's done on purpose. Hi, I'm Kyle, and this is Bibliatek, a digital library that is tough as nails and built to last. Completely modular and plug and play, the entire device can be disassembled with a regular screwdriver. It comes with an audio port for audiobooks and music, and allows you to seamlessly continue a book through reading or listening, whether you are at work, driving, or sitting at home. Bibliatek has built-in Wi-Fi so that you can sync easily with your current digital library. A USB port also allows for easy transfer of files, charging, and the use of keyboards, mice, and other peripheries. With 256 gigabytes of storage, you'll never run out of room for more books, and if you do, it's easily expandable. Lightweight and compact, Bibliatek can be taken anywhere. Join the fight against planned obsolescence with a device that's meant to last. Bibliatek.